Knowing what actually affects how long your HVAC system lasts can save you a ton of money and headaches down the line. So, first off, how often you maintain your system makes a huge difference. Changing those air filters every 1 to 3 months keeps the air clean and the system running smooth, you know? If you let dust and grime build up, your HVAC has to work way harder, and that wears it out faster. Also, how much you use your HVAC is key. Cranking it up all day every day will wear it down quicker than just using it when it's super hot or cold. The quality of the air filters matters too. Cheap filters might save cash up front but don't trap dust as well, which means more dirt inside your system. Keep an eye on your thermostat settings placed end HT. Going crazy with temperature changes can stress the system out. Make sure the outdoor unit isn't blocked by plants or debris because that can cause overheating. Lastly, get a professional to do a tune-up at least once a year to catch any small problems before they turn into big ones. Trust me, consistent care goes a long way in stretching out the life of your HVAC. One of the biggest mistakes people make with their HVAC systems is skipping regular maintenance, which leads to clogged filters and reduced efficiency. Fixing this is as simple as setting reminders to check your filters monthly. Another common problem is overusing the system without breaks, especially in extreme weather. Try to use fans or adjust clothing first before blasting the AC or heat nonstop. Lastly, not using quality air filters can cause more dust buildup inside the system, so invest in higher grade filters that trap smaller particles and keep your air cleaner. These fixes are straightforward but make a huge impact on how well your HVAC holds up over time. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners looking to find reliable local contractors who really know their stuff. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a solid way to connect with people looking for your services and grow your business.